After cleaning, the soybeans are conditioned and flaked. Conditioning involves adjusting the moisture content of the beans through heating, which softens them for easier processing. The softened beans are then passed through roller mills to produce thin flakes. Flaking increases the surface area of the soybeans. The next critical step is cooking and pressing. The soybean flakes are cooked under controlled heat to denature enzymes that could degrade the oil quality. Following this, the flakes are mechanically pressed in screw presses to extract a portion of the oil. This mechanical extraction yields crude soybean oil and leaves behind a solid residue known as soybean meal. For higher oil recovery, solvent extraction is often employed after mechanical pressing. In this stage, the remaining soybean meal is contacted with a solvent, typically hexane, which dissolves the residual oil. The mixture of solvent and oil, called miscella, is then separated from the defatted meal. The miscella undergoes further processing to recover pure soybean oil. Finally, the crude oil obtained from both pressing and solvent extraction undergoes refining processes including degauming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. These steps remove impurities, improve color, and enhance flavor, resulting in refined soybean oil suitable for consumption or industrial use. The entire process is designed to efficiently convert raw soybeans into valuable products.